Hey, 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 hey! Hello! Hey, 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 hey! Bye!
Decides to go in search for food. How clumsy. Here we go, bananas. Bowser dives in and devours the banana considered sneezes. Mario steps into the garden.
What's going on? Oh, hey! Hey, 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 hey!
Bowser, why are you stealing my fruits?
Oh, back off quickly!
Bowser, very dangerous.
My watermelons were ruined by worms. I'm hungry, sir. What? Help Bowser? Okay then. Then, why not plant pineapples? Luigi, I want to plant pineapples to help Bowser. I'm here.
First, the fruit garden needs to be cleaned up.
Hey, are the points of pineapple plants?
Fruit garden. The excavator clears all the garbage, even the meat-eating plant from the earlier. For planting. pineapples have been safely transported.
Thank you very much.
Mario and the strawberry business. Mario wakes up. The strawberries are ripe. In the morning at Mario's strawberry garden. Now, let's follow a warning that the gas is running out. Luckily, a gas station is here.
Not good.
Oh, but the gas station isn't working. The warning signal continues.
Oh no!
So yeah, what will Mario do now? Looks like the gas now. Pushing the car is the only option. The car speeds down the slope, crashing into the fruit garden.
I'm sorry, my car ran out of gas, so... What did you do? Fine, I'll take care of my garden. Thank you very much.
Mario continues pushing the car to find a gas station. What?
Gas is 50% off.
Is there a long line of cars at the gas station?
Great.
Gas prices are reduced and many people are buying. Replenish energy while waiting. The story takes a Calm down, it's your turn now.
This is too much. It's infuriating.
Truly, it's Mario's turn. Huh?
Sorry, we're out of gas.
Isn't it out of gas?
Oh no, what am I going to do? I have to ask Luigi for help. Mario, I'm coming. Mario, what's wrong?
We'll wait for the concrete to dry. A sturdy foundation. Wow, a professional gas station. Both are extremely excited. Enthusiastic fans. The referee takes his position. Enthusiastic fans. The race begins. Whoa, the referee is a bit nervous.
Stop!
Sorry, Mario. Come on, Mario! Cars chasing each other closely.
Oh, it hurts. My car.
Will Mario continue the race?
Luigi, wait up.
The road is rocky, but both are still trying hard. Mario speeds up to catch Luigi.
Ouch!
Wow! Fantastic lift by Luigi. Luigi safely lands. Mario prepares to make a leap. But what's happening?
Come on, let's go!
Oh no!
Haha, I'm almost winning. Iron Man, quickly help me with some fuel. Sure. Mario, I'm still here waiting for you.
Mario seems impatient. Whoa, Mario seems... Stay calm, Mario. Wait, pulling the fuel tank along. Luigi leaves, not helping Mario. What will Mario do?
Help! Help! Over there is a fire! I need your water bucket! Sure! Thank you!
Luigi quickly fills a water bucket to rescue. I'm not sure how Luigi will put out the fire. Let's see.
The fuel pump needs to be placed back in the right position. Let's go.
All right. Where is Mario heading?
Hello, Mario.
Yes!
The new fuel pump. Let's see how Mario and Luigi do. Cement will help stabilize the fuel pump. The fuel pumps are placed one by one.
Thank you so much. Bye.
The fans are extremely excited. In the final stretch of the race, who will be the winner?
Thank you, everyone. We want to win together.
The robber and the failed heist. A masked character was diligently digging holes. While Mario was still fast asleep, it seems like he has a malicious intention. What is he planning to do with his holes? A sign? Is it real or fake? Hello, there's an order.
I want to order grapes. Deliver them to this address quickly. Okay. Hello there. Are you here to pick grapes? Wow, well done. Someone ordered a whole truck of grapes.
The grape garden has various types, with bunches of heavy, juicy grapes. A race is about to happen.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Wow, that's great. Come on.
Oh, Mario forgot about the delivery? Mario is having too much fun.
Yeah. Come on.
The mysterious man is still anxiously waiting.
Why haven't you delivered the grapes to me yet? Sorry, I'm coming right away.
This is the correct address. The truck enters the crossroads created by that man. hole. Mario fell into the trough. What is the mysterious man planning to do?
My friend, please help me. Okay, wait for me.
There you go.
The mysterious man sneaks onto the track. You want to steal grapes?
What's going on? Robber! Robber! Robber!
It turns out to be a failed heist. The friends together help Mario fix the road. Mario escaped the trap.
Let's go.
The holes, making the road smoother. Let's see if Pop controls the road roller really now. See how the vehicles work together. Wow, the road is smooth and clean again.
Hey, what happened? Be more careful. A robber tricked me here. Thanks, my friend. I'm back. Haven't delivered the grapes to the customer? Oh, that's dangerous. I'm really frustrated. It's a trap set by the robber who wanted to steal my grapes. I'm back too. Nothing could be better. Do you want to eat grapes and watch TV?
They watch a movie about rob, a very joyful scene.